welcome back. In today's video, let us see about AI task environment. So previously we have discussed about AI agents and their features and how exactly the AI is able to respond with rationality. In today's video, let us see about the different task environment properties and the task environment. So first let us see about what is this PEAS model of task environment. So first, considering this task environment, we know that AI agent has a few components. It has actuators, sensors, environment. The agent will receive the percepts from the environment. We have seen these things, right? Now this environment, how exactly should it be for the AI agent to perform better? That is what we are going to see. In this, we are describing the problems for which rational agents are the solutions, and this PEAS stands for performance measure, environment, actuators and sensors. So previously we have seen that actuators will initiate the action for the agent. We have seen some examples like robo vacuum cleaner and self-driving car, where the agent is the car and the vacuum cleaner, and there they are able to observe from the environment through the sensors and perform the actions based on the mapped percept sequence, right? So here actuators and sensors are A and S, and coming to the environment it is E, and performance measure, that is how well the agent is able to perform. We need to have a suitable measure to measure the success rate of the agent's performance. So moving on to this PEAS model, as we see here, performance measure is a metric for evaluating the agent's success in achieving the goals. In the car driving example, self-driving car, the destination should be reached by the car by driving safely. So the main goal of our AI agent, which is car over here, is to reach the destination by driving safe. So once it reaches the destination, we can call it as 100% success rate. Suppose there are some problems encountered on the way, like it has not obeyed some traffic signals and it has not obeyed the laws of giving way for the ambulance. These kind of circumstances, suppose we encounter, then we cannot say it as 100% success. Although it has reached the destination, still it has encountered some problems on the way. So we can say it is 60 to 70% successful. So this performance measure is going to give you a clear idea about how the agent is performing and how it is able to achieve its goals. Coming to the next one, which is environment, the agent will interact with the world using the environment. Everything that surrounds the agent is the environment. So the agent will interact and it will perceive through the sensors. These actuators are mechanisms used to affect the environment, that is they will perform some action which will directly have an influence on the environment. And coming to the sensors, they are going to be used for gathering information, because through the sensors the agents are able to perceive something, they are able to gather some knowledge. So they will be gathering this information about what? About everything that they are able to see. Everything which the agent is able to see is its own environment, right? So PEAS model for the agent's operation in an environment stands for P for performance measure, E is environment, A is actuators and S is sensors. I hope you understood the concept of PEAS model and how we can evaluate the performance of our agent using this, right? So let us discuss about the different properties of task environments in the next video. Thank you.